Hey, this is Tom. Today we're gonna try the Pioneer AppRadio3. This is the 210 model. I'm gonna start on the car. There's the stereo to turn on. I just installed it a couple days ago, so I'm still kind of playing with it. This is the morning. The stereo came out. I'm using Samsung Galaxy S4 and I use the Android USB cable and the Samsung adapter that comes with it. It's a small adapter that you can buy directly from Samsung or from eBay for like $10. And you need this to connect Samsung Galaxy S4. Now, once I connect the Samsung Galaxy, I will have more options popping on the screen. One of them is the Pandora option. This is kind of really nice tool to use. If I click on Pandora, I'm getting all the channels, all the music, commercial free. The Pandora app opening automatically on the phone. You need to install the Pandora app. And you're ready to go. And you can control all the Pandora songs from here. You can move songs. You can choose a playlist. It's a really nice feature. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. In the main screen, we have the radio, of course. Regular radio station. We have the iPod feature, which I'm not using. We have the Bluetooth audio input, which any music or anything you play off on the phone, I'm gonna go directly here. Here we can play music CD or DVD right away. Turn off the system, turn off the display, setting, and the rear camera for backing up. Now let's go more into the app mode. App mode, technically when you're using it, it just duplicates your phone screen. So whatever you see on your phone, you see on the screen. But all the compatible apps, you can actually control them without touching the phone. So you can put your phone wherever you want, hide it or something, and just use the buttons that you have on the screen. For example, you have Waze, for example, which is a navigation software. So as you can see, you can control your phone from the app. Let's see what else we have over there. We have AppRadio, which is only music. We have internet browser, so you can just browse the internet. Okay, what just pop up, it's the emergency brakes, which the guy that put me the stereo put me a switch that I need to play whenever this message pop up, so I can use it without having the emergency brakes on. I actually ordered an automatic part to do it. I will install it next week. Anyway, this is the browser. Just browse it. So far, Flash didn't work on this one when I tried, but I see on YouTube it does work.
Oh, I can't believe you just did that to me. Huh.
Works really nice.
Violation. You needed a bath. What?
This is just a YouTube video. This is the back button. It's a browser. Glimpse. Car media player. Actually, it's searching all your phone for all media file that you can play directly from the system. any music, any video, everything you can play directly from there. Photos, you can browse all the photos that you have on the phone. Your contact list, calendar, you can see your calendar. It would be nice if I could click on meeting, click on whatever address I have in the meeting, and the map would open, but it's not really doing anything. Even when I click on phone, it's not doing anything, it's just showing you your calendar and your meetings. You can go back, your contact list, and map, which is Google Map. I didn't get the idea you cannot really do anything, you can just see the map here. You can see your location, and you can change from map to satellite. I don't really get the point or the use of it. Now, as for navigation, what you can do on your phone, you just use your phone to get any location and then navigate with your phone. Then just put the phone down and you can see the navigation on the screen and technically everything. But if the software is not compatible, when you click, you're just gonna see the button that you cannot move anything or you cannot do anything, but you still can see and you can still listen from the Bluetooth. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, I click the return button, it's coming to app mode. If I click the V buttons, I see what other app I can put. They're updating the apps all the time, so you're gonna have new apps all the time. I see mark next to the app that I installed. I still have something that I didn't install yet. There's another type of navigation, gas calculation, traffic reports. So what do we have so far? We have the apps that you can control. We have the cable that actually transmits HDMI from the cable directly to the phone, so everything you can see on the phone you will see on the screen at any time. You have the apps that are compatible, that you actually can control from the main panel. You can control them without looking at the phone. The Bluetooth works really nice with the phone, really good. If I click on the phone, I can see my last calls, and I can just click on something and call directly. I can go directly to my phone book. And I can use Google Talk. Call home.
You want to call Home Depot Sport Arena.
Okay, I don't really have anybody named home in my phone book, so I didn't really understand what I want, but it works pretty good.